Hi scholars! It's Ms. Rosa, and I'm so excited to see you today. Before we begin our reading lesson, I want to teach you a strategy that helps us understand characters better. Today, we're learning how to analyze character traits using the FAST method. So, what are character traits? Character traits are words that describe a character's personality, like kind, brave, honest, or selfish. Good readers don't just guess traits, they look for clues in the story. That's where the FAST method helps us. FAST stands for F. Feelings. How does the character feel? Happy? Nervous? Angry? Excited? Feelings can tell us a lot about a character's personality. Actions. What does the character do? If a character helps others, they might be kind. If they never give up, they might be determined. S. Speech. What does the character say? Their words can show if they are friendly, respectful, brave, or even selfish. T. Thoughts. What does the character think? A character's thoughts can reveal their true personality and motivations. When we use feelings, actions, speech, and thoughts, we can find strong evidence to describe the character correctly. Analyzing character traits helps us understand why characters act the way they do, how they change, and what message the author wants us to learn. Now, I want you to watch a short video about analyzing character traits using the FAST method. Pay close attention to how the character's feelings, actions, speech, and thoughts help us identify their traits. Are you ready, my brilliant readers? Let's get started.
Today's lesson is analyzing characters. Hi readers, I'm Miss Rosa. For today's lesson, we will become character detectives. We will learn how to analyze character traits in stories. We'll use a powerful reading tool called FAST. FAST stands for feelings, actions, saying, and thoughts. I will teach you how you can use FAST in order to analyze characters by using different words to describe your character's personality. Character traits describes what a character is truly like on the inside. They reveal their personality, their inner self. Are they brave in the face of danger? Are they kind to their friends and even strangers? Are they responsible, always doing what's right? Understanding these traits helps us greatly. Analyzing the character traits helps us understand the story better. It also helps us learn valuable life lessons from their journeys. It also helps us predict what characters might do next in the plot. Now let's talk about how FAST can you help you understand the character in the story better. FAST helps us figure out character traits with ease. F is for feelings. How does the character feel deep down? A is for actions. What does the character do in different situations? S is for sayings. What does the character say to others and themselves? And T is for thoughts. What does the character think privately? When we look at all these clues together, we discover who the character really is. Let's take a look at this example. Emma walks down the hallway. She witnessed her friend accidentally drop a stack of books, scattering them across the floor. Emma rushes over without hesitation, her expression full of concern and readiness to assist. She kneels down, gathering the books, and says, "Don't worry, I've got you." Let's use FAST to analyze Emma's actions and words. Her feelings were caring and empathetic towards her friend. Her actions were, she actively helps her friend pick up the scattered books. Then her saying were, her words are kind and encouraging, offering comfort. Finally, her thoughts were, she clearly wants to help others in need. So, when we analyze Emma trait, it is kind and helpful. She was being a true friend. Now, let's take a look at Leo's story. He is intently focused on building a tall tower of blocks. He carefully places one block on top of another, his brow furrowed in concentration. Suddenly, the tower wobbles precariously and then collapses with a clatter. Leo looks at the fallen blocks, a momentary flicker of disappointment on his face. But then his expression shifts to one of fierce determination. He says, I won't give up. He immediately starts to rebuild his tower, picking up the blocks with renewed vigor. Now, let's apply fast to understand Leo's character. What were his feelings? Determined and resilient. Even after a setback, what was his action? He keeps trying, showing persistence in his goal. What did he say? He encourages himself with positive affirmations. And finally, what were his thoughts? He believes deeply that he can succeed if he keeps trying. Now, analyze his trait. Leo is persevering and brave, never giving up. Knowing what FAST stands for will always help you. Analyze characters and their traits. Remember feelings, actions, sayings, thoughts. When you read, use FAST to understand characters more deeply. When you write, show what your character feels, does, says, and thinks to reveal their traits. FAST will help you comprehend the story better as well. Great job, character detectives. Remember, FAST helps us understand characters deeply and become better readers. Keep reading, keep thinking, and keep discovering amazing character traits. Bye for now, readers.
Great job today, readers. Keep practicing, keep thinking, and keep being amazing readers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reading adventures. See you next time.